Thank you for visiting our channel. By watching this video, you improve your language skills, listening, pronunciation.
Grammar. The focus of this lesson is using verbs for vacation activities.
Mari kita menyelam, kamu sudah membawa peralatan menyelam? Mari kita menyelam, kamu sudah membawa peralatan menyelam?
Let's dive. Have you brought your diving equipment? Let's dive. Have you brought your diving equipment? Expressing desire to do an activity can be shown in this model. Subject plus engine plus verb. Subject plus would like plus to plus verb. For example,
Saya ingin berenang. Saya ingin berenang.
I would like to swim. I would like to swim.
Dia ingin berjemur. Dia ingin berjemur.
She would like to sunbathe. She would like to sunbathe. To find out a location or place in a question, we can ask with this model. Di mana tempat plus, noun, place? Where plus to be plus, noun, place. For example,
Di mana tempat penyewaan sepeda? Di mana tempat penyewaan sepeda?
where's the place to rent the bicycle? Where's the place to rent the bicycle?
Di mana tempat pembelian tiket masuk? Di mana tempat pembelian tiket masuk?
Where's the place to buy the tickets? Where's the place to buy the tickets? Here is a summary of typical statements that might be useful in vacation activities.
Saya ingin berselancar. Saya ingin berselancar.
I would like to surf. I would like to surf.
Dia ingin menyelam. Dia ingin menyelam.
She would like to dive. She would like to dive.
Boleh saya berenang di sini? Boleh saya berenang di sini?
Can I swim here? Can I swim here?
Boleh saya membawa papan selancar sendiri? Boleh saya membawa papan selancar sendiri?
Can I bring my own surfboard? Can I bring my own surfboard?
Di mana tempat penyewaan perahu motor? Di mana tempat penyewaan perahu motor?
Where is the place to rent the motorboat? Where is the place to rent the motorboat?
Di mana tempat penginapan turis? Di mana tempat penginapan turis?
Where is the guest house for tourists? Where is the guest house for tourists?
Berapa harga sewa papan selancar? Berapa harga sewa papan selancar?
How much does it cost to rent a surfboard? How much does it cost to rent a surfboard?
Berapa harga sewa penginapan ini? Berapa harga sewa penginapan ini?
How much is the rate of this guest house? How much is the rate of this guest house? Cultural insight. Raja Ampat. Raja Ampat, meaning Four Kings, is an archipelago covering over 9.8 million acres of land and sea. Raja Ampat contains the four main islands of Misul, Salawati, Batanta, and Waigeo, and more than 1,000 small islands. The nearest city to these beautiful islands is Sorong, West Papua Province. According to scientists, the biodiversity of the oceanic natural resources surrounding the Raja Ampat Islands is the richest recorded in the world. The species included are reef fish, hard coral species, mantis shrimp, marine mammals, and endangered sea turtles. The Raja Ampat Islands are so beautiful that travelers may have many options. from exploring the sea by diving or snorkeling to just enjoying the remarkable scenery of so many islands with their crystal clear water and feeling the breeze of sea wind over the white sandy beaches. Raja Ampat could well be called a remarkably astonishing place and truly a paradise in Indonesia.
Kosakata.
Vocabulary:
Air, air.
water, water,
Segar, segar.
refreshing, refreshing,
Lihat, lihat.
to see, to see,
Pemandangan, pemandangan.
panorama, scenery, panorama, scenery,
Bawa, bawa.
to bring, to bring,
Peralatan, alat. Peralatan, alat.
equipment, equipment,
Siap, siap.
to be ready, to be ready,
Ganti pakaian. Ganti pakaian.
to change clothes, to change clothes,
Kamera. Kamera.
camera, camera,
Contoh kalimat.
sample sentences,
Boleh minta air. Boleh minta air.
can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please?
Kakak saya sangat sibuk memotret pemandangan di sekitar villa. Kakak saya sangat sibuk memotret pemandangan di sekitar villa.
My brother is very busy photographing the scenery around the villa. My brother is very busy photographing the scenery around the villa.
Dani membawa bekal makanan ke sekolah setiap hari. Dani membawa bekal makanan ke sekolah setiap hari.
Danny brings a lunchbox to school every day. Danny brings a lunchbox to school every day.
Mereka membawa peralatan mendaki masing-masing. Mereka membawa peralatan mendaki masing-masing.
They are bringing their own hiking equipment. They are bringing their own hiking equipment.
Apakah Anda siap untuk mengambil alih pekerjaan baru mulai bulan depan? Apakah Anda siap untuk mengambil alih pekerjaan baru mulai bulan depan?
Are you ready to take over the new job from next month on? Are you ready to take over the new job from next month on?
Menir itu telah siap dengan tugasnya. Menir itu telah siap dengan tugasnya.
The manager is ready for his task. The manager is ready for his task.
Anak-anak segera berganti pakaian begitu sampai di kolam renang. Anak-anak segera berganti pakaian begitu sampai di kolam renang.
The kids get changed quickly when arriving at the swimming pool. The kids get changed quickly when arriving at the swimming pool.
Ini adalah kamera. Ini adalah kamera.
It's a camera. It's a camera. Vocabulary phrase usage
Lihat. Lihat.
is the root word for to look or to see. As a verb,
Melihat.
to see has many similar words such as
Memandang.
to view,
Menatap.
to gaze,
Menonton.
to watch. For example,
Ayah melihat pertandingan sepak bola di televisi. Ayah melihat pertandingan sepak bola di televisi.
Dad is watching a football match on television. Dad is watching a football match on television.
Pemandangan.
Pemandangan is the general word for scenery, as in
Pemandangan alam.
natural, scenery, and
Pemandangan indah.
beautiful scenery. People usually associate this term with traveling, such as in the sentence.
Banyak pantai di Indonesia yang memiliki pemandangan indah. Banyak pantai di Indonesia yang memiliki pemandangan indah.
There are many beaches in Indonesia that have beautiful scenery. There are many beaches in Indonesia that have beautiful scenery.
Bawa.
Bawa can be translated as bring or carry. As a verb,
Membawa. Mengangkut.
to transport,
Mengambil.
to take. For example,
Ayah selalu pulang membawakan makanan. Ayah selalu pulang membawakan makanan.
Father always brings home some foods. Father always brings home some foods.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Lihat, airnya sungguh menyegarkan. Semua kelihatan hijau dan biru. Lihat, airnya sungguh menyegarkan. Semua kelihatan hijau dan biru.
Look, the water is really refreshing. It all looks green and blue. Look, the water is really refreshing. It all looks green and blue.
Melihat pemandangan indah di sini membuat semua perjalanan tidak sia-sia. Melihat pemandangan indah di sini membuat semua perjalanan tidak sia-sia.
Looking at this beautiful scenery makes the whole journey worthwhile. Looking at this beautiful scenery makes the whole journey worthwhile.
Menyelam, yuk. Kamu sudah membawa peralatan menyelam? Menyelam, yuk. Kamu sudah membawa peralatan menyelam?
Let's dive. Have you brought your diving equipment? Let's dive. Have you brought your diving equipment?
Ya, dan juga kamera tahan air. Ya, dan juga kamera tahan air.
Yes, and also a waterproof camera. Yes, and also a waterproof camera.
Jadi, kita telah siap. Aku akan berganti pakaian dan memakai baju selam. Jadi, kita telah siap. Aku akan berganti pakaian dan memakai baju selam.
So, we're ready. I'll get changed and put on the diving suit. So, we're ready. I'll get changed and put on the diving suit.
Baiklah, aku akan menyiapkan kamera. Baiklah, aku akan menyiapkan kamera.
Okay, I'll set up the camera. Okay, I'll set up the camera.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.